Section 10. Commissioning, operating, monitoring, and maintaining of CP systems. 10.1. Introduction. This section outlines general procedures and best practices for commissioning, monitoring, and maintaining the continuous, effective, and efficient operation of cathodic protection (CP) systems. 10.1.1. Continuous operation CP systems are required to operate without interruption. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential to confirm that the systems remain functional. 10.1.2. Electrical measurement techniques. Electrical measurement techniques, as detailed in TM 04977, and conditions influencing protection levels may vary over time. Procedures should ensure that the protection meets applicable criteria. Periodic measurements and monitoring are necessary to identify changes in the CP system. A single potential measurement provides limited information, so an adequate number of measurements must be collected to determine whether the protection criteria are met across a defined section of piping. 10.1.3. Close interval surveys, CIS. CIS can be conducted to measure potentials between test points and obtain additional insights, such as 10.1.3.1, evaluating the CP system's effectiveness. 10.1.3.2, establishing baseline operational data. 10.1.3.3, identifying areas with insufficient protection levels. 10.1.3.4, detecting potential coating deterioration. 10.1.3.5, locating areas affected by construction, stray currents, or environmental factors. 10.1.3.6, selecting areas for periodic monitoring. Refer to NACE SP0207 for further guidance on conducting CIS. 10.1.4 System adjustments. Adjustments to CP systems should be accompanied by comprehensive testing to confirm that the established criteria are satisfied and to evaluate interference at electrical isolation points and on nearby structures. 10.2 Periodic monitoring. The effectiveness of the CP system must be periodically monitored based on the variability of corrosion control factors, safety requirements, and regulatory guidelines. 10.3. Inspections and testing. Inspection and testing of CP facilities must be conducted and documented to verify proper operation and maintenance. 10.3.1 Impressed current systems. Power supply sources for impressed current systems should be monitored every 2 months, though this interval may vary. Parameters like output current, voltage, power consumption, or operation signals serve as evidence of proper functionality. Annual inspections should be conducted as part of a preventive maintenance program to minimize system failures. These inspections may include verifying electrical functionality, ground connections, meter accuracy, efficiency, circuit resistance, and more. 10.3.2 Galvanic anode systems. Annual inspections are necessary for galvanic anode systems to prevent failures and ensure proper operation. Evaluations should include pipe to electrolyte potentials, anode to electrolyte potentials, and anode current outputs. 10.4 Monitoring of protective devices. Protective devices like reverse current switches, diodes, and DC interference bonds should be inspected every 2 months. The frequency of monitoring may vary. 10.4.1 AC mitigation. Decouplers such as polarization cells, solid-state decouplers, and surge protectors must be regularly inspected and maintained. 10.4.2 Electrical isolation devices. The effectiveness of isolating fittings, continuity bonds, and casing isolation should be evaluated during external corrosion control surveys using electrical measurements. 10.5 Examination of exposed pipelines. When underground pipelines are exposed, they should be inspected for signs of external corrosion. If coated, the condition of the coating must be examined. 10.6 Remedial actions. When periodic inspections and tests indicate inadequate CP, corrective actions should be implemented, which may include 10.6.1 Repairing, replacing, or adjusting CP system components. 10.6.2 Adding supplementary facilities to enhance CP. 10.6.3 Cleaning and recoding bare or poorly coated pipelines. 10.6.4 Repairing, replacing, or adjusting AC-DC interference bonds. 10.6.5 Evaluating the need for additional AC-DC interference mitigation. 10.6.6 Removing unintended metallic contacts. 10.6.7 Repairing defective isolation devices. 10.7 Electrical short circuits in casing systems. Short circuits between a casing and a carrier pipe can reduce CP current and compromise protection. Refer to NAICS SP0 2010 for guidance on designing, fabricating, installing, and maintaining steel-cased metallic pipelines. 10.8 Electrical shielding of CP current. If electrical shielding of CP current is detected, the situation should be assessed, and corrective measures should be taken, as outlined in paragraph 5.7.